Hey guys, Jules and I are leaving Florida January 1st or 2nd, probably the 1st, and we're heading to Arizona. We are going to be in Quartzsite. We're going to probably take about 7 to 10 days to get out there, but we're putting out an open invitation with Matt and Maria from Nomadic Native to come down and join us and camp with us while we're at Quartzsite. Matt is going to get there first, and he's going to try to find a spot, I believe, south of town on Roadrunner, big enough for however many want to come and join us. Right now, it's about 6 to 8 campers, but come on down, get a hold of myself through YouTube or our Facebook page or Instagram, or get a hold of Matt and Maria at Nomadic Native or on their Facebook page, and let us know you want to join us so we can make sure we get a big enough spot. But we're going to be there during the big tent and maybe a little after, and then who knows where we're going to go. Definitely going to go where it's warm, I will say that. But come on out, camp with us, visit us, spend the day with us, whatever you want to do. But we will be there. It's an open invitation to everybody that wants to have fun. If you don't want to have fun, don't show up, because we're going to have fun. I guarantee we're going to have fun. So today, this one gets taken out, and that one gets put in. Finally gonna go residential. We took the doors off and then brought it in, and probably didn't need to take the doors off. But we took them off anyway.
It gave you something good to hold on to.
It made it lighter and did make it easier to hold on. We're gonna slap the doors back on it and get this process going. So we put the doors on it. We have it plugged in because I want it to be good and cold before we put it in. And let me see if you can see this. I'm running new cable lines here, so. Well, data lines are. But it is pulling about 11 amps. And it's just on trying to get cold, so we should be good. So we got it unplugged. We have the propane line plugged. We have the 12 volt off. 12 volt off. Gonna go inside. Everything is off in there, and it should slide out in theory. So we had to take this door off, and the reason is this. Well, where are we at here? Get me bent down here. There you go. There's a nut that goes through this. The bracket for the door screws in here and goes over that. Well, there was a hole here, but it was off center. Well, then they come in from the outside in with another screw that holds that bracket on. So we got everything off, and then we just snapped that one. So once we get it off, we'll be able to fix it, right?
That's right. I hope
She's not.
so.
You have no lipstick on.
Ah!
It's on the knees.
You're gonna have to lean back.
All right, let me see if I can get this here.
Dude,
We have a
I
big
don't want
old
taking them
hole.
screws out.
You want to see something?
They're going to do anything, right?
Hold on.
Right
Right now
there.
you got that hook on.
Well, it's still
Right
screwed over
there.
here.
Yeah, but this ain't.
Look at that. That has a wooden bottom.
It's probably
That's
on
wood.
the bottom too. It's right on the bottom.
That's awesome. This old insulation's coming out, and they're putting new fiberboard or something like that in. I forget what it's called.
Insulation board.
Insulation board.
Lally wants to know if we move up here. Lally wants to know if we should move up here. Were you filming my leg?
Yes. No.
That's pretty neat. How
He
does
can
that
cut
thing
all that
cost?
up.
You can get it over to me.
I don't know.
Lean it
You
out.
have to ask the boss.
Shouldn't have-
Yeah.
It's not overly heavy.
It just keeps everything level.
Mhm.
Put my phone in there and glue it in.
Hey, John, don't let me bust my butt.
Coming off of that step.
Oh no, I'll hold it in tight. Hold it here. Cheeks.
Okay, you're gonna have to come up because I'm getting all walkers all there.
Uh-oh.
You want me to come? Okay. Okay. Slowly do it.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, look at them.
Hold on. Slow.
Slow,
Stop.
slow,
Stop.
stop.
Down. You gotta go down. Right there. The rug's building up under you, Josh.
Attempt number 2.
Coming down.
Nope.
Not gonna do it?
Not gonna happen. It's gonna have to come out straight.
She wants it sitting upright. And you're gonna have
It
to.
won't come out straight because of that bolt.
Where?
This is where the fridge came out from the back side. I showed y'all from the other side. This right here is the gas line, and you can see we got it plugged. It's been tested for leaks. This is all our solar. It all had to be unhooked.
Just sit on the porch anyway.
All of it.
So it doesn't have to go in.
So you see this here, this is for our Wii Boost, and then I have a timer that we're going to put on for the refrigerator so it goes off and on and doesn't use any power at night when it really doesn't need it.
Okay, so this would not fit going out by about a 1/2 inch. This had this trim right here going around it. Get down here. This trim right here going around it, it stuck out, made it too wide, so he's taking adjustable wrench and going around just straightening out. Now this thing's gonna sit on his back porch, so cosmetics doesn't matter, does it? Function.
Just function.
We're looking at function, so.
We're live. Whoops. Somebody forgot the drawer.
Getters out.
Here, John. Oh, the other one shouldn't come out.
Anything that's loose is coming out because I have not busted my ass. That was really good.
Okay.
Slow.
Nope.
Okay, bring it back in. Won't you just cut this? This is the only part that's come off right here. That way you're not fighting that damn thing. Alright, so as ugly as this thing looks, it's because it's ugly. This frame would not come off. We tried everything. It's like it's just super glued on. So we totally destroyed this fridge. All this is on the inside. This measures where it should go. So if you look at this fridge, it's ugly. So there, Jules. Let's see what happens.
Did you get the water out of the freezer?
Yes. We're not familiar how to put it in a tablet.
Get back on. Set it down just enough.
Like, oh shoot, I hope
I won't be on this side to watch it.
Get there. Oh.
Oh, don't scoot it on that carpet. You rip it.
You want to get a hand between your legs there, Andy? Give some help.
Is there anywhere to hold it?
I think so.
His hands ain't gonna be able to be on the outside.
He's got to.
You got balance like so. Yep. Okay, slow. One more. Slow. Whoa.
Oh, I think it's gonna go.
Hold on.
Dude, no.
Come on, Lord, just let it
Tell
squeeze
him.
through.
What's whack? Bring it in. Set it down.
Sideways.
This right here. That.
Okay, attempt number 5 didn't work either, so we're going back for more pounding.
Hold on.
Use the narrower than the wider.
Pounding and bending.
Like ours, if we have a take ours out, we've got to take them.
It's okay, it needs cleaned anyway.
So it's easy to do when you're probably younger and stronger.
Well, Maryland spent a couple months there. And then we had to go back up to Syracuse.
You have to go
Take care of
straight
some stuff
and go
up
here.
there. We went back up to
You have to-
Syracuse. Came back down there, son. So I stayed there a couple of days. And then, because he was doing some repair on our camper. And
Keep going.
I got to
Go
go
up.
up
Okay.
to Texas to watch
Oh,
the race.
yeah.
Hold on.
That's when we found out our solar
Hold on.
batteries were
I'm not
all
moving.
on our
Okay,
solar
go.
Take the fridge your way.
It came all the way here.
Go to the driver's side,
I
the
wasn't
front of the
pushing you,
coach
by
a
the
little
way. I
bit.
was like,
Well, you're going out way crooked for some reason.
I know.
Okay. I got it.
Okay,
So you haven't really started your vacation.
here we go.
Well, we're both
relaxation.
retired, so.
Yeah, but you know, you haven't like sat down and just relaxed. yet.
Well, see, that's the thing is when we're
Okay.
we were there for a week
This is good talking.
and it was relaxing.
Yeah.
But since then we've been on the road.
Listen
on
to
the
that
road,
squeaking.
getting over here, so it's,
Woo! Yay!
Now we just got to get the other one in.
It's
Oh,
in.
that's it.
Oh, that was easy. That one fit perfect. So it is sealed up, insulated. We have a hole down there for the compressor to get some air. And I have a 12 volt, 2 wires down there. You probably can't see them, but it's 12 volt. And I'm thinking about getting a 12 volt, like little computer fan, low amperage, and put in there to blow on the compressor, just in case. You don't know, but it should work. This is my controls on the other side of the wall, my remotes for my solar. This one we ran new data cable for it. So as soon as all this is in, we'll be able to hook that back up. Okay, so it has been a week since we installed that refrigerator. I was gonna put a timer on it. I have decided not to put a timer on it because when it was really warm, and I'm talking at night, 68, 72 degrees at night, it was burning through about 40 to 50, maybe 55 amps. Doesn't stay running all the time. The lowest it's been is 41 amps. The highest it's been is in the mid 50s. It's been really cool at night now, and it's hardly using anything. I woke up this morning, starts getting dark about 5. You start losing all your solar about 5ish. And we watched TV for 3, 4, 5 hours. Let's spin this around. 3, 4, 5 hours we watched TV, and I think Julie came to bed about 10 or 11 last night. Of course, I was in bed before that. But when I woke up this morning, I was only 106 out, which is good because the fridge was on. You always have your, 3.5 amps of ghost amps, but it doesn't use enough to justify putting a timer on it. So I really don't think we will. We're really, really super happy here with it. It has so much more room in it. And it is weird or funny as it sounds. It kind of gives you that homey feeling. Oh yeah, I struggle with this thing. I'd be better off put this thing just on a stick. But it kind of gives you that more home feeling having a residential. As weird as that sounds. But I have to, if you look up here on this edge right here, open this up, you'll be able to see it better. If I can figure out how to open it. Right here. There's a gap right here, and that's going back where the old fridge sat in here. So when it's closed, you can barely see it. So we're gonna get some kind of trim up here and come around the edges. But down here on the bottom, there's a big gap right here, and that is where we're gonna build it up into here. I'm trying to find white oak, and that'll stop that from wanting to come forward when we're traveling. It's also going to be secured in the back. It's not going to come out, but I don't know. Get some quarter round, or we'll figure something. We just got to find this light oak. We went to Home Depot and I couldn't find light oak. I can find a poplar that's pretty close to this, and we might do that. We just got to find something that'll match it pretty good. But so far, we are really, really happy. Anybody wants to install a residential refrigerator, don't be scared of it. This part was simple. As you've seen, getting the old one out was a job. Out of here, we could have popped a window out. There's a lot of things we could have done, but the way we did is the way we did it. So it's out, this is in, and we like it. Hey guys, thanks for watching. As always, thumbs up, Facebook and Instagram. We'll see you guys later. Bye bye.